exercise 5D. So we will discuss exercise 5D. And it is lecture number 5.7. Now first of all we will discuss concept, and then we will start exercise. Now this exercise is very important for ICSE board examination. Definitely one question will be there from this exercise. From the last 20-year question paper, I can say that definitely one question will be from this exercise. So let's start the concept first. Solution of quadratic equation by formula method. This exercise is based on solution of quadratic equation by formula method. So let us consider a general equation. So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is general equation where a not equal to 0 and a, b, c all are real numbers. Now formula to get the value of x from this equation is x equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac by twice a, or you can write in this form minus b plus minus root under, and this is called discriminant, so d by 2a. So this is the formula to get the value of x from this equation. Now proof. So let us prove this formula. This formula is called Sridharacharya formula. So let us prove this formula. Now ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we have to convert this in perfect square. So what we will do to convert this in perfect square, clear? Use the Sridharacharya technique. So multiply all the term by 4 times of coefficient of x square. So it is 4a square x square plus 4abx plus 4ac equal to 0. What we have done here? Multiplying each term by 4 times coefficient of x square. This is called Sridharacharya technique to convert this in perfect square. Now, or we can write this as 2ax whole square plus, and this can be written as 2 times this one 2ax. Now so it is 4ax, we have to bring b here also, so into b, and then plus b square, we have added extra, clear? Minus b square we have to subtract for balancing it, and plus 4ac is equal to 0. Or now you can see from here to here it is a perfect square. It can be written as 2ax plus b whole square, and shift the other rest term right side, so b square minus 4ac. Or now shift this square other side, so it will be 2ax plus b. When square is shifted other side, it becomes root under b square minus 4ac, or this will be plus minus because there are two values of square root. Now or 2ax will be equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac, and therefore value of x is minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the value of x from this equation. Now here you can see there are two value of x, minus b plus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a, and other value will be minus b minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this formula is called Sridharacharya formula. Now some extra point that you have to mark. First, generally you will be asked to write the answer up to 1 decimal places or 2 decimal places or 3 decimal places. So if it is asked that write the answer up to 1 decimal places, then you have to write answer. First you write the value up to 2 decimal places and then round off for 1 decimal places. Similarly, if it is asked to write the answer up to 2 decimal places, then first you get the value up to 3 decimal places and then round up it for 2 decimal places. So if answer is asked for n decimal places, then first write the value of x up to n plus 1 decimal places, and then round up for n decimal places. Clear? This is important. So if it is asked for 2 decimal places, first you get the value up to 3 decimal places and then round up it for 2 decimal places. Next, and same is true for significant figure also. Same is for significant figure. If it is asked that write answer up to 2 significant figure or 3 significant figure, then use the same rule. First you get answer up to 1 more significant figure and then round up it. Now rounding concept of rule of rounding off and rule of counting significant figure I have discussed in another video. So from there you can get the idea of counting, the rule of counting of significant figure and rule of rounding of the number. So from there you can get the idea. So this is the concept for solution of quadratic equation by formula method. Now we are going to discuss question one by one. So we will discuss almost all the question for the practice. So let us take question number 1, bit 1. It is exercise 5D, lecture number 5.7. Now first question is x square minus 6x is equal to 27. So solution, first of all arrange the equation in general form. 6 square minus 6x minus 27 equal to 0. Now comparing this equation with general equation. So on comparing equation with general equation. quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So comparing this, a will be 1, b will be minus 6 and c will be minus 27. Now formula for x is minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by twice a. Now put the value here. Minus b is minus 6 plus minus root under minus 6 whole square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 27. So this will by 2a, a is 1. So ultimately will be plus 6 plus minus root under 36 and it will be plus 27 4 ja 108 by 2. So it will be 6 plus minus root under 144 by 2. Now from here 6 plus minus it will be 12 by 2. So one answer will be 6 plus 12 by 2 and the other answer will be 6 minus 12 by 2. So we will get here 12 plus 6, 18 by 2, 9, and then it will be minus 3. So solution set will be, solution set is equal to curly bracket minus 3 and 9. Now question number 1, bit 2. X square minus 10x plus 21 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this equation. So here the solution is comparing this equation x square minus 10x plus 21 equal to 0 with general quadratic equation, this one. So you will get a equal to 1, b is coefficient of x, so it is minus 10, and c is constant term, so it will be plus 21. This is called c. So formula for x is minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by twice a. So put here minus b is minus 10 plus minus root under minus 10 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 21 by 2a, a is 1. So it will be 10 plus minus root under 100 minus 84. It will be 100 minus 84 by 2. So it is equal to 10 plus minus root under 16 by 2. So one answer will be 10 plus minus 4 by 2. So from here we can separate 10 plus 4 by 2 and the other answer is 10 minus 4 by 2. So one answer will be 14 by 2, 7, and the other answer will be it is 6 by 2, that is 3. Therefore solution set will be curly bracket 3 and 7. So this is the answer. Now question number 1, bit 3. Question number 1, bit 3. X square plus 6x minus 10 equal to 0. Now comparing this equation, solution. Now comparing this equation, x square plus 6x minus 10 equal to 0 with general equation. So here you will get a equal to 1, coefficient of x square is 1, b is 6, coefficient of x is called b, so it is 6, and constant term is called c, so it is minus 10. Now formula for x is minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. So put here minus b is 6 plus minus root under b square, it is 6 square minus 4a is 1 and c is minus 10 by twice a, 2 into 1. So for this step you will get 1 mark. In the examination generally this question is asked for 4 marks. So 4 marks or 3 marks. So here you will get 1 mark. Minus 6 plus minus root under, it will be 36 and plus 40 by 2. So we will get here minus 6 plus minus root under 76 by 2. So minus 6 plus root 76 by 2, and one we can write in this way, minus 6 plus minus this will be 76 can be written as 4 times 19 by 2. So we can write answer minus 6 plus minus and 4 is square root of 4 is 2, so 2 root under 19 by 2. So this is take 2 common, so minus 3 plus minus root 19 by 2, 2 to cancel, so one answer will be minus 3 plus root 19 and the other answer will be minus 3 minus root 19. Generally in this type of question, when square root is not a perfect number, so generally in this type of question they will ask to write the answer up to 2 decimal places or 1 decimal places. Clear? They will indicate in this way. So here it is not written in the question, so you can leave answer up to here. But if it is written that write the answer up to 1 decimal places, 2 decimal places, then you have to simplify this one also. So let us simplify this one. It is your choice whether you want to write answer up to here or you want to write in decimal places. So put the value of square root 19. I have made another video for square root to calculate the square root, so you can watch that video. So here value of square root is 4.36. So minus 3 minus 4.36. So this will be 1.36 and this value will be minus 7.36. Therefore solution set is curly bracket minus 7.36 and 1.36. Now question number 4, bit 4. Question number 1, bit 4. So it is x square plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Now again this equation is already arranged in general form, so comparing this equation with general quadratic, we will get a equal to, a is a coefficient of x square, that is 1, b is equal to 2, coefficient of x, and c equal to minus 6. So formula for x is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by twice a. So minus b is 2 plus minus root under b square, so it will be 2 square minus 4 into a into c, c is minus 6 by twice a is 1, so it will be minus 2 plus minus root under 4 and plus 24 by 2, so it is minus 2 plus minus root under 28 by 2. So minus 2 plus minus root under 28 can be written as 4 into 7 by 2. So here we can take minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 is 2 root 7 by 2. Now taking 2 common, so here you will get minus 2 plus minus root 7 by 2. So not 2, here it is 1 by 2. So 2 cancel. So we will get here minus 1 plus minus root 7. So 1 root is minus 1 plus root 7 and minus 1 minus root 7. So here nothing is said in the question, so we can leave answer up to here. But generally it will be asked that write the answer up to 1 decimal places or 2 decimal places. So for that you have to put the value of root 7. So minus 1 plus root 7. So value of root 7 will be 2.664 minus 1 minus 2.64. So this value will be, so this value will be, now subtracting here, so it will be 1.64 plus, and this value will be minus 3.64. So solution set will be equal to minus 3.64 and 1.64. Here in this question it is not asked to write answer up to 1 or 2 decimal places, so you can leave answer up to here also. But generally I prefer to write answer in decimal. Now question number 1 bit 5. Question number 1 bit 5. So here it is, question is 3x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So again question is given in arranged form. It is already arranged in the form of general form of quadratic equation. So if it is not given, then you have to arrange. Now comparing this equation with general equation. We will get a equal to 3, b equal to 2 and c equal to minus 1. Now formula for x is minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by twice a. So put here minus b is 2 plus minus root under b square. So 2a square minus 4a is 3 and c is minus 1 by 2 times a is 3. So minus 2 plus minus root under 4 plus 12 by 6. So minus 2 plus minus it will be root 16 by 6. So minus 2 plus minus 4 by 6. So one answer will be minus 2 plus 4 by 6 and the other will be minus 2 minus 4 by 6. So this will be 4 to 2 by 6 and this will be minus 6 by 6. So answer is 1 by 3 and minus 1. So solution set is curly bracket minus 1 and 1 by 3. Answer. Now question number 1 bit 6. So here it is written 2x square plus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Now so again this equation is already arranged in general form, so only compare this equation with the general form. A is equal to 2, coefficient of x square is called a. B is equal to 7, coefficient of x is called b, and constant term is c, that is 5. So formula for x is minus b plus minus right and root under b square minus 4ac by twice a, and substitute the correct value minus 7 plus minus root under 7 square minus 4a is 2 and c is 5. Formula with correct substitution you will get mark. Formula with correct substitution here will give you 1 mark. Now -7 plus minus root under 49 minus, and it is 8 4 5 is 40 by 4. So -7 plus minus, it is root under 9 by 4. So -7 plus minus 3 by 4. So two answers are there, -7 plus 3 by 4, -7 minus 3 by 4. So you will get here 4 by 4 here and -10 by 4. So one answer will be -1, another will be -5 by 2. So solution set is equal to curly bracket -1 and it will be -2 whole 1 by 2.